Hi, my name's Bill. I'm a certified electrician, and today I'm going to show you how to properly cut a hole in your ceiling for recessed lighting. Let's get started. So the first way we're going to cut out a hole is using our template here that's included with the light. There's 3 different light templates for 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch. We're going to be using our scissors to cut out the 6-inch hole. The most fun part of the process, certainly. There we go. Cut on the line, y'all. Cut on the line. Nice. Let's lay out this light. I'm gonna go roughly center, 48 by, I think it's just 20 inches. Fun thing, you can use this, the edge of your tape measure to leave a mark too, right? So let's go 24 inches. So it kind of leaves a mark there. All right, so 20 inches, here's 10 inches. There. I even give this a little extra mark here. All right, so that's our center cross mark. These marks, they are showing here, right, going up and down, left to right, and those are our center marks. But instead of extending these lines all the way across beyond 6 inches, I'm just gonna cut out a hole in the center. Now that I have my template cut out and I have this hole here so I can reference these marks, I can line it up with my cross marks to outline it. Line this up here, and you could tape this as well with some masking tape. The template says it's 6 1/4 inches, so it does give you a little bit of play that's built in there already. Like even here, that's the cutout hole, but look at all this play from the trim plate, right? And that's what we have for like our slop. Okay, now that we have our outline, we're gonna be cutting it out with our drywall saw. I got my side cutters here. A hammer, anything with weight is gonna help you to start this first hole. Gonna line it up, I'm gonna poke it in. When you're lining this up, you wanna make sure you're at least as big as this template. Line up on the line, or maybe even favor just outside of the line. Safety first, safety glasses. So now that we have our hole, we're gonna take our 6-inch slim recessed light and drop it in. Spring action. Just taking a look in the sides, make sure it's fully seated, and yeah, it looks good. And that's how you do it with a drywall saw. Let's do a hole saw next. I've got a 6-inch hole saw to install a 6-inch slim light. Lay it out in line with this, about halfway. I'm gonna grab my hole saw, and I've got a pilot bit sticking out. I'm gonna line that up with the center of my cross mark. That's gonna hold this hole saw into place. And you're gonna take it slow because the teeth here are gonna bite in the drywall, and if you're going too quick, it might wanna kick back on you, so you just gotta take it easy with that. All right, put on my safety glasses, line this up. Okay, so now we're going. There you go. Sometimes you get the drywall stuck in here, you grab a screwdriver, push this out, or you could even, see that, how it kicks back and it drops out. All right, we got our hole from our hole saw. Let's grab our 6-inch slim. We're gonna pull back our springs and pop it in. Looks good. And went in nice and easy, a lot easier than the drywall. If I'm doing a good set of cans, I'm definitely getting that hole saw. It's worth the investment. And that's how you get a perfect cut every time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more electrician tips. Got questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.